Good morning, student. Today in this video we are going to discuss chapter number 11, mensuration. In this video we are going to discuss cuboid, cube and cylinder. In this video we are going to discuss the formula for volume of cuboid, total surface area of cuboid, lateral surface area of cuboid, volume of cube, lateral surface area of cube, total surface area of cube, and for cylinder, volume of cylinder, lateral surface area of cylinder, and total surface area of cylinder. Cuboid, a solid bounded by 6 rectangular planes faces is called a cuboid. Now volume of this cuboid, volume means if we want to pour water inside this, so what is the capacity of this cuboid? So to find that, the formula is length into breadth into height. Length into breadth into height. L, this B and this H. If we multiply length into breadth into height, we get the volume of this cuboid. The next formula is total surface area, or which we called as TSA. TSA means here the total faces are 6 faces and all these faces are in the shape of a rectangle. So if we want to paint this cuboid, so we are going to find the total surface area. The formula for that is 2 into LB, length into breadth, plus breadth into height, plus height into length. Now the next formula is lateral surface area. So lateral surface area, if we are not going to include the top and the bottom surface, if we only want to take the 4 faces of this cuboid, so the formula for that is 2 into L plus B, length plus breadth, into height. So these 3 formula are for cuboid. Cube, a cuboid whose length, breadth and height are all equal, means length is equal, breadth is equal and height is equal, is called cube. So here all this length, this breadth and this height are equal. So if this is L or this side is A, so it means this breadth is also A and this height is also A. So all the sides are equal here. Now to find the volume of this cube, the formula is H to the power 3. Total surface area, so here in this cube the total faces are 6 and each faces are a shape of a square. So the formula of total surface area of a cube is 6a square. Lateral surface area, lateral surface area, if we are not going to include the top and the bottom surface, only we are going to take the 4 surfaces, and each surface of a cube is the shape of a square. So the lateral surface area formula is 4a square. Cylinder, a solid generated by the rotation of a rectangle about one of its sides, is called a right circular cylinder. Here, for a cylinder of height h, now for this cylinder let the height be h. This is the height, which is h, and the radius. So here this is the radius of the cylinder, which is r. Now to find the volume of the cylinder, so the formula is pi r square h. Pi r square h. Pi r square is the area of this circle. Here this is the circle. This is the shape of a circle. So the shape of the circle, this is the shape of circle. So area of circle is pi r square. So when we multiply this pi r square with this height, we get the volume of this cylinder. Lateral surface area. Lateral surface area, the formula is 2 pi RH. The formula is 2 pi RH. If we cut this cylinder and if we open this cylinder, we get a shape of a rectangle. We get a shape of a rectangle. If we cut it through the height, we get the shape of the rectangle. So lateral surface area, or which we called as curved surface area. So formula is 2 pi RH. Total surface area, formula is 2 pi r into h plus r. So what is this? So total surface area means if we are going to include this circle and this circle and this curve, so we get the total surface area of the cylinder. So the formula to find the total surface area of the cylinder is 2 pi r h plus r. Hope you enjoy this video. Thank you.